move ahead, let us enjoy another colorful and meaningful performance that will take us to the heart of Odisha.
Friends, Odisha is a land of traditions, festivals and devotions. One of the most important rivers of Odisha is the Mahanadi, which gives life to many cities and villages.
मनुष्य जन्म रुमरंतक सते सारा जीवन ई संगीत संगे जड़ित है। ई संगीत बिना ई मनुष्य वर्णना अधा है। ई माटीर महान लोकगीत और लोकनाच खाली माटीर संस्कृतिर कथा ना कहे कहसी गोटे सामाजिक लोकर जीवन यापन कथा और गायसी परंपरार कथा। आसुन से लुकी जाउथुबा रसर केली लोकनाच के प्रसिद्ध बेली मैं मंच के स्वागत करमी किछि छोट छोट नृत्यकार मान को।
Hey Sai Shanvi, I suppose you are talking in Sambalpuri language.
Yes, Taniksha, I was talking in Sambalpuri language.
Oh wow, the words sound so sweet.
Oh yeah, indeed, Sambalpuri is a very lyrical language.
The next performance presented by Montessori 1, Section A, guided and choreographed by Ritanjali Mahapatra Madam, is a traditional Sambalpuri dance called Rasar Keli, which shows love and respect towards the goddess Samleswari as well as the beauty of Odisha's culture.
Now, let us welcome our wonderful dancers with a
loud cheer.